Fuckers fighting over some spare ribs I threw out in the yard. Or actually I dropped. Look at that. They're fighting. Look at that shit, man. They're like locked at the mouth. Oh my goodness. Bam, take that. Bam, bam. It's mine. That's mine. You ain't getting that. It's mine. Get out of here. Bam. Look at that fighting over a piece of meat. And the guy over there is just chilling, eating it. The other two are fighting over it. Some funny stuff, man. Look at that. Fighting over it. Some funny shit, man. Just tugging on each other. They're just fighting. Pow, take that. Pow, pow. Dang. Ooh. It's messing him up. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. The tough guy. This guy over here is just sitting over there just eating it. These two are fighting over it. Get done fighting now. It'll be all gone. Look at that. Just fighting over it. He's like, oh well, let's come over here and just eat it while you guys are fighting. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, take that. Just fighting. Look at that. Ooh, knocked it down. Time to get done fighting, it'll be all gone. Bam. Ooh, he's fucking him up. Still chasing him. Look at that. It's fighting. Look at that. It's fighting. Now he's chasing him. Look at that. The crow's joining in too. That's some funny stuff, man.